Hi, I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you how to embroider on this cute baby one piece with the Baby Lock Verve. First, we want to mark the center of our baby one piece where we want our design to stitch out. So we're going to mark our center and then draw a line straight down. We're going to place our stabilizer within our hoop. Now we're going to turn our one piece inside out and make sure the front is facing down. And lightly spray the surface of your stabilizer. Then we're going to use the lines on the frame to line up the line that we drew on the inside, making sure you don't have any wrinkles. We're going to take our grid and just sneak that inside. All right, and that looks good, so let's take it over to the machine. Now that we've gotten our baby one piece hooped, we're going to come over to the screen and select Exclusives and Kids Corner. And let's select the soccer ball, which is 001. And you can add on this machine, so let's add a design, and let's do a cute little frame. So now we need to rotate the soccer ball so that it's stitched out with the shadow on the bottom of the ball. And let's change it to a pink color. Now we're ready to stitch this out. Now we need to switch over to our warm gray. Okay, we're on the third color in our design. Okay, we're ready to stitch. All right, I'm going to stitch my last three colors out in black. Our embroidery is done. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. And there you have it, a cute soccer ball. And this is my favorite part. Here's our design. We're going to take it out of the hoop, and then we're going to clip around the stabilizer. We're going to take some soft stitch, cover up, and we're going to cover the stitches so that it's really soft against the baby's skin. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.